1905 Casa Verde. We have a satellite dish on the side. This door needs to be repainted, and of course new hardware. Three blinds for this room. We have some weird changes in tile here. Fridge looks nice. Need a microwave. Three blinds in here. Maybe a slider. This palm tree needs to be trimmed. They both need a little bit of maintenance. It's nice that we already have the rocks and the concrete pad. Although it looks like it sloped towards the house, so that's not good. Okay, I'll work on closing that later. The walls are very white and overall okay condition. We don't have matching door handles. So if we were going to change them out, we need 1, 2, 3 for that closet, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I did not include this door. Where's the light in here? Okay, not sure where the, oh, there it is. We need to put tile in here. Okay. I don't know if we need a blind in here or if we could just leave that one. It's oh, definitely power wash. One blind in this room, maybe change the hardware, change the smoke detector, since it looks very old. Yeah, we have almost every room has a different flooring, and we might want to change out the closet caps to match the hardware. So I think we have to rip up all the flooring in the house and replace it with 1 or 2 flooring styles, depending on what the property manager says, of course. 2 blinds in here, a new tile. And that doesn't, I know it sounds like a lot of money, a new blind, but it's not necessarily. About $5 a square foot for tile, about $1.50 a square foot for carpet. And this isn't a large house, so these cabinets are not in the best shape. Different tile in here as well. Replace that drain ring, about $65. A new rod. There's a tiny bit of rust in the light fixture, but I might be able to get away with it for now. Oh, whoa. Probably a new exhaust fan. And that's about it.